The track-focused Bugatti Bolide is all set to production. Bugatti revealed about the production of Bugatti Bolide, first introduced as an 1825 HP, but later it changed into 1578 HP. Bugatti confirmed in a press release that the manufacturing of Bolide will be limited to 40 units, each with an approximated price of about $4.7 million. 1 second before we start the video, kindly subscribe to this channel. That will motivate us to make more videos like this. Your support is very important for us. Only you can help us to reach the next milestone. Now, let's get started. Bolide is a track-focused car. It has the same 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 and 4-wheel drive like Chiron and its various models. Engine is capable of producing 1,824 HP and 1,365 lb-ft of torque on 110-octane racing fuel. Bugatti also implemented weight reduction to a much greater extent. The Bolide concept had a weight of 2,733 pounds, which is less when it is compared to Toyota GR86. It's because of the monocoque chassis. Also, they used a carbon fiber rear prop shaft and 3D printed titanium pushrods as well. A huge front wing generates the downforce of 1,764 pounds, and a big rear wing makes 3,968 pounds of downforce. Both are measured at 200 miles per hour. The Bolide is built-in roof scoop, which is made from a flexible material that deforms at top speed, making dimples that reduce aerodynamic drag. This technique is obtained from the humble golf ball. Anyway, the sale and deliveries will be scheduled only after 2024. What do you think about this? Let me know this by commenting below. I would love to see them. I can go through your comments and share my feedback. Thanks for watching this video completely. Kindly subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. Thanks again, have a great day.